So we have, like in the MOSFET also, we have N-type MOSFET and P-type MOSFET, right? So in CMOS, actually one is like good at electrons, another is good at holes, correct? So in any IC, like we just now discussed about like digital electronics and all. So we need to have strong high and best low. That is ground and positive voltage, right? It should be proper. For that purpose, what we do, we use a technology called CMOS. So in CMOS, what we do, always we will have a P-type and N-type semiconductor connected together always. That's why we call it as a complementary semiconductor, right? So, for example, this is a circuit for NOT gate. So, if my input is high, right? So, my PMOS will be on. PMOS will be on. So that what will happen? I'm going to get, if my input is high, NMOS will be on. So, this will be grounded, correct? This will be grounded. So, I'm going to get this output as 0, correct? Same way, this is connected to plus 5 volt. Now, if I make input as low, your PMOS will be on. So that what will be the output? It will be plus 5 volt. So this is nothing but a NOT gate, right? So whenever you have like input is high, so to actually see, in order to switch on the P-type semiconductor, your input should be low because you can see the bubble, right? So whenever input is high, so NMOS will be on. So your output will be 0. So it is actually acting like a NOT gate. Same way, we will have like various operations like AND gate, OR gate. So actually in PMOS or NMOS or like CMOS technology, we can easily build NAND gate and NOR gate. So whenever we want to build a AND gate or OR gate, like we have to build a NAND gate and then put a NOT gate at the output. Okay, this way we build the CMOS circuitry. Okay, so